flooring industry, it keeps evolving. There is a lot of different flooring, but carpet is always there.
We know that behind every single design, there is a story. And we are giving this kind of opportunity to the designers to tell us their own stories.
Ege Carpets, it's been well known in hospitality projects. We've been developing and enhancing that hospitality to up to the commercial, retail, entertainment. We develop between the carpet roll, carpet tile, and rugs. Ege Carpets has been started looking after the Middle East since 20 years ago. We've been the first carpet manufacturing office presence in UAE by our own office showroom with our technical team.
We are listening very carefully to the designers or to the client, and we will try to know the design that they are looking for and the colors perspective. Once we will finish it, we will make the sample and we will show it to them. Once we will get the approval, we will be ready for the order, which is going to be only with 2 weeks as a lead time production.
As of today, we have one of the fastest lead time and the most durable carpet, plus the freedom of design. Designers, especially, and architects in our region, they like to have their touch on every single material they choose for their project. And they found that with Ege. We are offering them a canvas and we help them bring their dreams and their imagination into reality.
Highline and Reform, it is the most popular two collection used for in the Middle East region. Highline, I call it the designer freedom. It's super flexible in a different way between the construction, the functionality in the place, used for hotels, hospitality, used for office, we use for cinemas.
We are giving more than 3,000 different designs that they can choose from, and they can recolor it without additional cost.
So Reform, well known as a most sustainable collection. In Reform collection, we have replaced the adhesive with using the PVP.
Actually, we are investing a lot in research and development. And we are working very hard to find the new materials that we can use to improve our products. For one example, that we have a new product that we start to work on, which is the glue, which we are actually taking it from the broken car windows.
Right now, as a design perspective, there is a lot of movement that's changed over the years. Like last year was everywhere Nejdi patterns and color earthy tones. Today is more about minimal textures and just having the feeling of multi-level, and it keeps going to that direction. We also try our best to keep going with the trend. Last year we have developed our own original collection Turat that responded to the demand of Nejdi patterns, and this year we have introduced a new product of abstract, which also has like texture and multi-level, and that's how we keep on track on the trend on the region. At Ege, we always try to educate and promote sustainability in the right way.
The biggest issue in the carpet industry is the waste. The good part is that we are turning the waste to have a new life actually. And this is by using fishing net to become yarns, and the backing we are getting it from the plastic bottles.
When working with the designer who's very demanding, we don't look at it as a challenge. We see it as an opportunity to pass our limits, because giving right service and supporting the designer during the development process, it's one of our strengths. And we always want to pass our limit on that, and we always want to deliver the best result.
We built up our office here since 8 years because the culture, the local requirement, demand is totally different than the Scandinavian. We're maintaining the same quality. We built up our full team here. We're starting from not only as a sales team, because we need the service. We have our technical design and our creative design team into the carpet, and with the support of the customer service and logistics. By this team, all this cooperation, it can help us to deliver a successful projects.